Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this conditioner. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for a notification whenever I upload a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please let's get started. I have my materials ready, and I'm going to be using 2 essential oils, sweet almond oil and rosemary essential oils. And I have my emulsifying wax ready. Emulsifying wax, it helps to combine both the water and the oil. And the second I have is cetyl alcohol. This is a moisturizing agent. It helps create a creamy film. And also the next is olive oil. It's also a moisturizing agent. It helps coat the strands, the hair strands as it is. I have on the list is cinnamon chloride. It's a great detangler, a softener, and helps reduce breakage. And also a glycerin. It draws water into the hair. So at this point, I'm putting this in a hot water bath. And after dissolving the oil, I mix the water and the oils together. I forgot the glycerin, so I'm adding it. It's supposed to be added in the water phase, but I'm adding it to the mixture because I forgot it earlier. So after mixing it together, then I check the temperature. The temperature is about 120 degrees before adding the essential oils. So I gently mix together to make sure I combine both the water and the oils together. Then for the ingredient I used, the measurement, I used 20 grams of emulsifying wax, 12 grams of cetyl alcohol, olive oil 24 grams, cinnamon chloride 8 grams, glycerin 8 grams. Then my water is 324 grams. So after adding the essential oils to it, then I make sure I mix together. So at this point, if you're using, if you want to preserve it, if you're keeping it for long, you have you add your preservative. Then remember, preservative should be 1% of the weight of your mixture. For this, we're about 5 using it at the point, so I'm not sure it's going to have a leftover, so I'm not using my preservative. So here is the result. Try this. If you have any question, don't forget to use the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.